Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been curious about, how to jailbreak a Samsung TV. Now, before we get started, remember that jailbreaking your TV can void your warranty and might not be legal in all regions. Be sure to understand the risks and implications before proceeding. Step 1. Check compatibility. Not all Samsung TVs can be jailbroken, so the first step is to check your TV's model number and do some research. Typically, older models are more likely to be compatible, but it varies. Step 2. Prepare your tools. You'll need a few things: a USB drive, a computer, and access to the internet. Make sure your USB drive is formatted correctly to avoid any issues during the process. Step 4. Download necessary files. Next, you'll need to download the specific jailbreaking software for your Samsung TV model. These files are usually available from trusted sources online, so be cautious and double-check the legitimacy of the site you're downloading from. Step 5. Transfer files to USB drive. Once downloaded, transfer the files onto your USB drive. Make sure they're in the root directory and that the USB drive is safely ejected from your computer. Step 6. Install jailbreaking software. With your TV powered off, insert the USB drive into the TV's USB port. Turn on the TV, and it should recognize the drive and prompt you to install the software. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Step 7. Complete installation and restart TV. Once the installation is complete, the TV will restart. This is a critical step, as it finalizes the jailbreaking process and applies the changes. Conclusion. And there you have it. Jailbreaking your Samsung TV can open up a world of possibilities, but remember, it's important to proceed with caution and understand the risks involved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you